Hi YouTube, Brent here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can quickly make more money in the stock market without knowing the first thing about day trading, swing trading, forex trading, or even options. It's great that you have some experience with this because the important thing to understand is that you can use this strategy to multiply your returns. What I wanted to show you is a strategy called the backdoor strategy, and when applied to the stock market, allows you to earn money even if you're new and a complete beginner. And again, this isn't about buying low or selling high or doing anything with options. Today, I'm combining a strategy called affiliate marketing with the stock market that can help you launch an online business of your own. Now, if you want to know how I'm doing this and how you can get started today, stick around because I'm going to make sure you know exactly what you need to do to get going. But first, if you're new here, then you're in the right place if you want to learn how to make money online. My passion is a strategy called affiliate marketing that's allowed me to make money online. And the crazy part is, it doesn't require you to have your own product. You don't need to have your own course or website. I lay out exactly how it works in this channel and give you all the tools that you need to get started completely free. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified every time we release a new training video. Also, feel free to leave a comment below. We really enjoy reading those comments and also use them to come up with ideas for our next set of videos. So let's get into today's training on earning money in the stock market without trading stocks, options, or doing forex. One thing I want to discuss is why the stock market can be so dangerous. Now, you can make money in the stock market. You've probably seen or heard at least one person who succeeded at earning thousands or hundreds of thousands or even millions. So it's possible, but there are certainly some challenges. For one, it's not beginner friendly. It's hard enough to start investing, let alone day trading stocks. Investing requires certain skills to really generate a return. Even if you're investing for the long run with, say, a 401k or an IRA, you still need to know some business fundamentals to make good investment decisions, or you need to hire a financial advisor, which is out of reach for many beginners. There's tons of misinformation out there. If you're on TikTok, you've probably heard some pretty bad advice when it comes to investing. Because of how accessible it is to start trading, a lot of people without experience start sharing bad advice, leading many other beginners to make mistakes. Investing requires work. Contrary to popular belief, it can also be challenging. And as far as success stories you've heard, there are at least 10 instances of people making poor investment strategies and losing everything. In most of these situations, people make big bets on unproven companies that went under. It's true that the higher the risk, the greater the possibility of larger returns. But it's also true the higher the risk, the greater the possibility of absolute soul-crushing failure. Now, my goal here isn't to discourage you from investing. It's a fantastic method to generate wealth, and that I'd recommend looking into it as well. I'm simply pointing out the challenges surrounding investing, such as day trading, to help you see that it isn't for everybody. Also, it's important to note that investing in cryptocurrency and precious metals and meme stocks are incredibly volatile and risky and should be approached with the understanding that no returns are guaranteed. There is, though, another way to make money in the stock market that requires far less upfront investment and much less risk. It's also, in my opinion, an easier way to get started and puts you in a position to succeed long term. And this is what I like to call the back door, which is affiliate marketing. There are trading platforms that pay you and give you free stocks just to recommend them. Just some examples are Webull, First Trade, a company called Tastyworks, and another one called Robinhood. Now, all of these will pay you cash or stocks when someone simply signs up using your referral link. And here are some reasons why I really like this method. There's no trading experience required. You don't have to trade, but are still making money when trades happen. Now, this is important. Make sure you Google referral programs to up-to-date offers because these things can change periodically. New companies will come along and others will pull the referral programs. The cool thing is you don't even need to know how to trade, and you don't even need to provide any investing advice. You are simply helping people find the best platform for them. The reality is there's a huge audience of people out there that are looking to trade in the stock market. They're going to sign up for these different platforms regardless. why not help connect people and get paid for referring them? And this is what makes affiliate marketing so powerful. You don't need to create an audience. The audience is already there. You're just serving as the connector. This is much easier than creating an audience or learning how to trade stocks. And it's why I'm so passionate about affiliate marketing. Now, the third step is building an affiliate funnel. Now, when we talk about a funnel, we're talking about a method to collect email addresses and start making affiliate commissions. A funnel consists of an opt-in or a landing page, the primary purpose being to collect an email address, followed up by a thank you page, which also includes your affiliate offer. This works because there's no distraction. It's simple and direct as we're focused on building the most important asset you can, which is your email list. To do this, you first need to build an opt-in page that offers a free gift in exchange for an email address. If you're experienced, that free gift can be a free guide on how to invest in stocks. If you're a beginner, create a list of websites that offer free stock or cash to invest when they sign up. I personally use a software called ClickFunnels. There's a link in the description below that you can sign up for a free trial of the software. Now here's an example of an opt-in page that you can use to promote this offer. As you can see, it's very simple, very quick. There's a quick description and there's a link where you can actually put your email address in to get your free gift. Now after someone subscribes, you can then create a thank you page that gives them the free gift. And make sure to include your affiliate links so that you can get paid every time someone signs up. The next step is to follow up with an additional offer or more through email. You've now created an email list of people who are interested in investing in stocks. These are people who care about investing and want to start putting their money into stocks as well. So you can send them to, say, Robinhood right after they subscribe. But there's also many other platforms and other opportunities for people who are investing, whether it's courses or training or coaching on investing. You can be an affiliate for those different types of products and offers that your email list might be interested in. And as mentioned earlier, there are tons of different investing platforms and apps. Become an affiliate for them and start promoting them in your emails. This is how you make profit in the stock market without investing any money in stocks yourself. This is a very simple method, but truly it's one of the best ways to make money online. Now, if you've loved the value I've given you so far in this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll keep dropping these videos for you, and I don't want you to miss out. Now, the fourth thing you want to do is build an ecosystem. If you love this idea but want to take it to the next level, you'll want to put it all together and create an ecosystem. And I have something special for you. Now, imagine that when someone opts into your list, you have an entire machine that automatically starts recommending and promoting offers in the background. In other words, imagine that you can have an entire ecosystem working to generate profit for you. Sounds interesting? This is all possible through a program called Partner with Anthony. Honestly, it's the most valuable course I've ever signed up for, where the course allows you to partner with a digital marketing expert, Anthony Morrison, and tap into his ecosystem for promotions. So instead of making one commission, you're making multiple commissions. Instead of just having one thing that makes you money, you have a list of things that'll make you money, all intertwined and connected. There's actually free trainings that describe more about this partnership program, and I've linked it in the description box below. All you need to do is click on that link, watch the training, and take action if you decide to do so. I truly believe that this is one of the best courses if you want to build a business on the internet. Again, click on the link below and learn more. Make sure you learn about Anthony's ecosystem to build your business. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me until the end. If I provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video. I've linked in either the card above or the end screen. I'd also like to know if you've already tried a salary supplementing side hustle. What strategies are you using? What niche are you in? Write a little something below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation with you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.